Díomh agus fáilte go Gramabeag, bite-sized Irish grammar videos for primary school pupils. So today we're looking at Briathra, verbs, which is the plural, or just one, Briathra, verb. And a verb is a doing or action word. 34 Irish verbs should be more than enough to get us by, 23 regular and 11 irregular. So we're going to look at them over the course. Irig, to get up. Be, to be. Bual, to hit, but when it's with le, it means to meet. Tit, to fall. Creaknig, to finish. Aber, to say. Fog, to leave. Feck, to see. I, to eat. Togue, to take. Owl, to drink. Fi, to get or find. Tour, to give. Tar, to come. Gertig, to hurt. Ri, to run. Immer, to play a sport. Shine, to play music. Clish, to hear. Lame, to jump. Con, to sing. Cot has multiple meanings. To wear, to smoke, to throw, to catch, and to spend. Bear, to grab. Dane, to make or do. Glon, to clean. Uscal, to open. Dune, to close. Brish, to break. Feach, to watch. Tay, to go. Tusig, to start. Cianig, to buy. Bollig, to collect or gather. Quir, to put. Agus sin é.